Okay, so we are here at TJ Maxx. What are we
Yes.
looking for, Mimi?
So we're looking for fidgets.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's see what we can find.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah.
Mimi,
Let's
I
see.
love this. Look at this purse.
It's
One
cute.
for you, one for me. It's perfect for us.
Me.
That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love
look at
this.
those.
And look at this
The
one. That's
wallet.
cute for you, Mimi. You like that?
I like that.
Oh, I like this one too.
It's cute.
And look at this hat. Isn't it pretty?
There's two, right?
Okay, we are looking for fidgets. Let's see fidgets. Oh, a Paw Patrol game. Oh, that's a puzzle. Okay. Oh, look at this one. Baby shark.
That's
Look at the
cute. Let's
frog.
go over
Oh,
here.
look at this one, Mimi. That's so cute.
This is cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh, look in front of you. What is that?
Oh.
No.
Oh my god.
What? Look at the butterfly.
Wait.
Mimi, look at the butterfly one. Hold on, let's take this one. Look.
That's
This
so
one, Mimi,
cute.
that's so cute. Oh my
This is
gosh,
a
guys.
fidget.
This is so cute. And look at this one.
Oh, I love this one.
Squeezy.
Guys,
This is
it's
so
a
nice.
fidget pack.
Look at this one. It's cute as
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. What? I love it. What else can you find, Mimi?
I'm finding
Puppet Jumbo. Oh, that's a Jumbo. Look at this Jumbo one. What? Look at this one,
I
Mimi.
know. It's a fidget pack.
What else do they have? They have there. Oh, the hamburger.
Oh, and the French fry in the
The
back.
French fry in the back. What else? You want to show them the?
Okay, so I'm
Oh
gonna. This is a basketball. This is a football. This is a baseball.
Alright, what else, Mimi?
This is cute. Oh,
Look
there's
at
this.
this one in the back. That is cute.
There's more
What is
fidgets over here.
this? Oh, look at the Barbie
Oh,
one.
Mom, look.
Yeah. They have the Barbie, mini Barbie puppet.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god, Mom.
the Mickey Mouse.
No way. There's no way.
No? What else?
Oh, this one. I love this one.
Dinosaur.
Look at this
I
out.
need to put those back.
Oh, look.
These are cool.
What?
It's
Oh my
big.
god, look!
That's
Okay,
the
a game controller!
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Mom,
There's more.
oh my god.
The star.
Oh my, oh.
Mimi, you're going crazy in here. Look at that. That's so cute.
Look at that, that's cute.
Oh, there's so many fidgets at
I know,
TJ
I love
Maxx.
this.
How much is this one? $3.99. We have to put those back. Let's see around here. There's more. Oh, that's
Oh my
the
God.
same one. No, that's cute. There's more. Is that a dog? That's a dog. Mimi.
Yeah, that's
Show
a
them the
cute
dog. Oh, that's so cute.
Puppet squeak.
There's more in there. Let's put this one back in here. And let's see if there's any
Look
more.
here. There's more fidgets.
Any more fidgets around here? Look at
Mm.
this. Oh.
Oh, that's cute. Let's jump over here. Guys, I just found a fidget surprise
We
box.
found this box. The Amazing Toy Mystery. It's 5 fidget
Oh my
toys
God.
inside this box. Do you
Look what you
want
can get. Yes, I need this. I want this.
that? Oh my gosh.
I want this.
And they have slime. Oh, slime. Oh, it's cool. Look what's
Oh
inside.
my God. That's cool.
Super snow powder. You can make snow. What is in here? Dinosaur
Slime.
slime.
Yes.
Okay, what else? What else? I love that. They have the blue SpongeBob.
And
Do
they
you see
have,
that one?
yeah, They have the Mickey Mouse puppet.
Mickey Mouse. Yeah, I like this one. The SpongeBob.
Sand one.
What is that?
It can
Stretchy?
stretch, mega stretch. And there's sand in it.
Cool. I love that one. And this is one of my favorites. Let me see. There is a game. Did you see the game? Yeah, the game is right there. Oh my gosh, guys. There's so many puppets at TJ Maxx.
Yeah.
I love this one, the glitter one.
Yeah, I love it.
Right. And the butterfly is one of my favorites too.
No, that's a bow.
No, you have to see this, Mimi.
What?
You have to see this. Wait a second.
Oh
This
my
one.
God, Mom.
Look at this first.
No way.
First
There's no way.
puppet. Oh my.
Oh my God.
You like that?
I love it.
You want to take it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites. What's in the back? There's more. Oh my gosh, guys. Right to TJ Maxx because they have so many fidgets. Oh, okay. And this one is not a butterfly. That's
It's a bow.
bow. Just see what bow. This one is one of my favorites too.
Oh yeah.
Right.
That's cool. And this one is one of
And
my
it has a
favorites.
hair tie. Look.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, yeah, like this. Let's pop it.
Simple, pop it, speech.
It doesn't pop.
No, it does.
It's because it's on the floor, maybe.
Yeah.
There you go. Pop it, Mimi. Pop it. Oh. Wow. So
Do
cool.
the better side.
Can we pop the first?
No, because it's inside.
This is so beautiful. Look at this. And it has the
Lipstick.
lipstick and the sunglasses.
So nice.
I love that. We found some more puppets around here. The Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol.
There's a rainbow bow.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute.
And then there's the Barbie one.
How come TJ Maxx has so many puppets, fidgets? Wow.
Mom, I just found this hanging around. This one too. I found this one too.
Oh, I like that. That's so cute. This one is so cute, Mimi.
Yeah, it's a bow.
Wow.
Okay, let's
You
do
got
the
it?
good side.
Oh, nice. Ready to sing, Mimi? Sing a song.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Yeah. Good job, Mimi. Mini brands. They have mini brands.
I love mini brands.
Yeah.
Can we get this?
Woohoo.
Can we get this, Mom?
More. There's more puppets in here, Mimi. Look.
Oh my God.
The parents again. And they have this big game. I love the colors. Those are my favorite
Oh
colors.
my God, me too.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, and there's the hair thing again.
Yeah. Alright. You need. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. You need slippers? No. LOL. We found some more puppets. The
Yes.
unicorn is so cute. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Mimi took off her mask because there's nobody around here.
Yeah.
So we put it on back when
When
we
we
leave.
yeah.
Okay, so
So
I think
these
it's
are
time
the
to
fidgets
leave.
that
We are
I'm
taking-
buying.
That one.
This
is so
one,
cute.
this one,
Purse.
and
the
this one, the mystery box.
box. Ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Okay, Mimi, are you ready to call all your fans?
Yes.
Oh, you gotta go all the way. It's upside down, I think. Yeah. There you go. Isn't it cool? And this is how you do it. You go like,
Live from the North Pole. Well,
isn't
now,
it cool? I'm calling Santa.
dialed Santa.
Alright, let's go. Okay, so we found some more, Mimi. Look at the heart. And look at the cards. Look at the cards. Oh,
And look in the back.
look at the game. There's more.
Oh my God,
the unicorn. What's that?
No way.
Oh,
See?
wow.
This and this. Oh my god.
I like the Minnie Mouse. And what else is in here? Let's see what else. Look at this one, Minnie. It's green. Look at this one. That's cute. I love that one. Do they have what's in here? The LOL. They even have LOL puppets. I didn't know that. LOL puppets, Minnie. Oh, like this one. Okay, so we got.
So we got some fidget.
Now it's time to open it.
Yes. Should I open this the last one because this is a surprise
Yes.
one? Okay. So let's open this one.
Great.
I'm so excited.
That's so cute.
It's heart ones.
For your lips.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, what else?
Oh.
The purse. Try it on. Try it on. Come on. Try it on. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love it.
Nice.
Pop it.
Simple, dimple,
It's so
pop and
pretty.
squeeze.
All right, the glasses. Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. This
Ooh,
is so
try it
cute.
on. Ooh, let me pop your eye. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Okay. So.
That's so cute.
This is so cute.
What else?
We got the alien spaceship. They're so tiny pops.
So cute. What else?
The best thing.
I love that one.
It's so cute.
Okay, now
Okay.
the next one is the
Now,
box.
now the finale.
Ready, set,
the finale.
go. What's in there?
Okay.
What's in there?
We're gonna open this tiny one first. It feels
Ooh,
weird.
Let's see what's inside. Oh,
Okay.
there's so many.
I know. Should we dump
this
it out?
is 5. No, pick one by one.
Okay, I
one
do
by
this one.
one. All right.
Scared mom. So I gotta open. Let's see. I got a pea popper!
That's so cute.
Yay!
All right, what else? Do this one.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay,
That's
see.
number 2.
Number 2.
Two.
Got it.
What's
Let's
inside?
Oh my god!
That's so pretty. I love it.
Oh my
All
god!
right. Okay, number 3.
Number 3.
Open it. Open it.
This
Open
feels weird.
it.
Okay.
Number 3. Oh! Let me see.
I
Let me see.
wanted these.
That's
Oh
so
my
cool. I love
God.
this.
I love this.
All right,
my
number
God.
4.
No, this is the last one.
No.
Oh yeah, there's one more.
No,
Wait,
see?
there's a tiny one. So I'm gonna open
Okay,
the tiny
the
one.
tiny one.
Yeah, this is super
Okay.
duper tiny.
Number 4.
Yeah.
Number 4. Ta-da-da-da. What is
A
it?
grape mochi.
Can I see? Look at
That's
that.
so cute. Oh my god. Okay, final.
Okay, number 5.
I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Number 5. Number
I'm
5.
so scared, guys.
Go, Mimi. Go,
Okay.
go.
Here we go. Okay,
You got it?
2, 1.
What is it? A puppet. A yellow puppet.
It's a tiny one. It's a mini.
You like it?
Yes, I love it.
All right.
That's
Look how many fidgets
So let's
you
count how many
have.
fidgets I have.
You have 1
One.
here. It's number 2.
3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8,
Oh, this one fell.
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11.
12.
No, I only have 11. Plus
You
this
have
one.
12.
No, plus
Okay,
this one
let's
that
see.
fell.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why there's less now? Oh, this one, 11. So you're right, 11 fidget toys. All right, let's go home. And thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe, turn on this post notification bell, ding, so you're notified every time we post a new video.
Thank you. Bye.